The weaver bird is a marvel of the avian world, known for its intricate and functional nests that showcase extraordinary craftsmanship. Found predominantly in Africa and parts of Asia, these birds are social creatures that thrive in colonies. Each species has its own unique nesting techniques, often utilizing grass, twigs, and even spider silk. The male weaver bird typically takes the lead, constructing elaborate nests to attract a mate. These nests can hang in trees, sometimes resembling clusters of grapes, providing shelter and safety for their young. Their keen ability to weave is not just for show, it ensures that their homes withstand the elements and predators. In addition to their impressive building skills, weaver birds exhibit fascinating social behaviors. They engage in communal nesting, where multiple pairs may build nests in proximity, creating vibrant neighborhoods. This cooperation fosters a sense of community and enhances survival rates. The weaver bird plays a vital role in its ecosystem, aiding in seed dispersal and serving as prey for various predators. To truly appreciate these remarkable birds and their architectural feats, take a moment to explore their habitats and support conservation efforts. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the wonders of nature.